everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelly Mwangi, and if you're new here, hi. I make content around fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, and everything in between. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to come here and just hang out with me. There are millions of other channels, but you choose to be here. I appreciate you so much. So this week's video is an unboxing. If you watched the video before, like 2 videos ago, I made a wish list for 2021 and I've managed to tick one of those items off my list. So let's get unboxing. I'm sure the title has already given away what the item is. It is a Louis Vuitton KEEPALL 45. Finally, I have one. And to be honest, when I was editing my wishlist video, this item was sitting on my table because I got it the day I was editing that video. A couple of days after I filmed that video, I normally film in advance, I was browsing the interwebs, my favorite DCT vintage, and I saw a KEEPALL 45 from the 1980s, and the price was ridiculous. This thing was $330. Shipping was $22, and then I paid taxes 5,200 shillings, so about $50. So all in all, this KEEPALL was about $400 max. I can't believe it. As in, what? Manifesting is real, guys. Please don't play with that ish. Don't play. So yeah, this is not a true unboxing. I couldn't wait to just tear this thing open and see how it looks like. So I have seen this bag before, but I want to see it again because I want to take it out into the wild and wear it and just and experience it, because it's been a long time coming. I've really wanted this bag, guys. If you've been a squad member for a while, you know, Geek squad, I wanted this bag for a while. So anyway, it came like this in a flat box. If you didn't know, this is how all the speedies come packed. There's a way you fold them and they lie flat. I'll show you in this video. So I just want to, the tape has gone back. Like the tape was just, I think DHL just did a very like loose job. So just tear it up. So it has all the paperwork on this side. I recently got a question from someone who was trying to buy something from DCT Vintage in Japan, and they asked me how do I deal with customs. To be honest, I play a very tricky game. I undervalue my item so that I can pay less customs, because sometimes, I don't know how this tax system is, sometimes when you put the true value because of insurance, you get to pay twice as much. Like if I said this bag was $320, I would have paid for sure like 30,000 worth of tax, making the item just double in you know, the cost. So I undervalue my items. I know it is a risk, because if it gets lost, the insurance will only pay what it was valued at. But so far, so good. I don't undervalue it so much to the point where it doesn't make sense, because they can open and see what the item is. But yeah, I do not put the accurate amount because of the fear of, you know, they'll charge you an arm and a leg. So here we are. I stopped shipping through post office because COVID. I did not know if our post office system was reliable. I did not know if the post office system in Japan was reliable, but I can trust DHL. So it opens just like that. She's inside. Guys, we should give her a name. Let's put this down. Oh, there's an invoice. The invoice was inside here. Normally I tell them not to put an invoice because this will give me away. This will say how much I paid for it, but the invoice is here. So the bag was $328 actually. Shipping was $22, coming to $350, and then taxes was 5,200 bob, which brings the thing to about 40,000 shillings. So let us put this down here. Here she is. You guys can guess what year this is from. It comes with another cover, and it's folded just like that. I know she looks super tiny, but it's not tiny. And then you fold it again. It's like that. And then, oh, smells like vintage Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Are we doing that in this video? No? Yeah, I laugh at myself. Somebody told me, Nelly, you just laugh at yourself. I do. If you don't laugh at yourself, I mean, people are gonna laugh at you. You gotta learn to laugh at yourself. So I'm just trying to shape the bag. As you can see, it is coming along nicely. It's a big one, eh? I know. Okay. Are we excited? I'm excited. So can you guess what year this bag is from? I want to show you the zippers. So it looks like that. It is gorgeous. That's the tab, and it says it's from Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, you can't even see. Made in France. And then just behind that, I don't know if you can see, but just behind that there is the 45. Let me try and make this more focused. Let's see if it will focus. There you go, 45. That's the size, 45. And this other side, there's nothing. Woo! I can't wait to just carry this bag everywhere. She's a big one. I wanted the 45 because I am a shorty and I am tiny. So I am 5'4" and I weigh about 65 kilos. She is so beautiful. The handles have patinaed beautifully. They're a dark honey caramel. Look at that. They're dark honey caramel color. Everything is so good. I love the fact that it's worn. I love the fact that it's aged. If I tell you how old this bag is, you're not gonna believe me. You're not gonna believe me. So yeah, that's the outside, the outer part of the bag. This leather straps have also aged. I don't know if I hope you can see that. They have aged quite a bit. And it looks just like something is falling, and it looks just like that. Let's go inside. So it has two zippers. So we open, and it's just, it smells like old leather. So that's the inside. Just hollow, just a hollow bag. This is so amazing because it has, I can only see like one stain, and it's like probably an ink stain, like an ink leak, but otherwise I don't see anything else. The buttons in here have gone green. They've turned green. They do this because of some chemical reaction between the metal and, you know, all the elements. And on this other tab you will see, there we go. So VI874. So this bag is from April of 1987. Is this bag older than you? This bag is about a year, almost 2 years younger than me. So I was born on November of 85. So 86, and then 87 this baby came along. So she is well in her 30s. This is amazing, and this is why I love vintage. I mean, show me a bag that you own that's 30 plus years old in this condition, that someone can actually wear it, that it's still valuable. I mean, come on guys, this is amazing. I am so glad I got it. I am so glad I bought it. I'm so glad I took the plunge. She's amazing. She's beautiful. I love the monogram. I love everything about this. What I think I'll get is one of those leather tags that go round. I've seen them for cheap. They're like $100. You can just put it here, and then it has a tag, and you can like put your name. But yeah, I will use it as a carry-on. I will use this to the gym. I will use this when I'm going for photo shoots, just keeping like all my clothes change and all that. I'm so glad I got it, guys. She feels amazing. So there she is. I will do a side-by-side comparison between this one, which is the 45, and the 30, because I own the 30 in Damien Eben. So the 30 will probably be like up to here. It's quite a big bag as well. These bags tend to be so big. I think it's because they're like curved and they're like supple and squishy. They can fit in a lot of things. Yeah, I did it guys. I love her so much. If there's anything else you'd want me to answer in regards to this, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like her, if you're gonna give it a name. I think we should give it a guy's name, because the leather smells very masculine. So I don't know, let's give it a guy's name. I wanted to say George, because George looks like George. Could be like the chauffeur to some wealthy guy. So I don't know, let's pick a George or Luther. We'll call him Luther. I don't know, but it feels like it should be a guy. Leave a comment down below with the name for this bag. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Right. Love her, him.